Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to export contacts on Gmail using your PC. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Sign in with the Gmail account that contains the contacts you wish to export. Next, locate the top right corner of the Gmail interface and click on the 9 dots icon to access Google Apps. From the drop-down menu, select Google Contacts to open your contact list within Gmail. Once you're in Google Contacts, shift your focus to the top right corner of the screen and click on Export to initiate the export process. A window will appear, allowing you to choose which contacts you want to export. Select the desired contacts based on your preferences. After selecting the contacts, opt for Google CSV as the export format to ensure compatibility with various platforms. Lastly, click on Export to download the selected contacts in Google CSV format to your PC. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily export your contacts from Gmail, making it convenient to manage and transfer your contact information. Thank you for tuning in to our tutorial on how to export contacts on Gmail. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and tricks to enhance your email management experience.